Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to transform this simple basic IKEA storage shelf into a stunning, colourful, vibrant, trendy storage unit for your home, which you can use to put underneath your TV. You can use in the hallway to store like magazines or whatever you want to do. It's up to you, and I just think it'll turn out amazing, and I'm so happy with the colours and everything. And I also have some really exciting news for you guys, because I've partnered up with a company called Pretty Pegs, and they do a wide variety of legs and screens for IKEA furniture. So any IKEA furniture you have that has something to match that piece, so you can upgrade it and make it look more bespoke and unique, and something that not everyone else will have, which is really exciting. And I love the concept of the company, and I just think it's a really cool idea. And I have a discount code for free shipping, so shipping normally is about €10, and this free shipping is worldwide, so you could be in the middle of nowhere and this code will still apply for you. So the code is JMC, so just type that in when you're checking out and you'll get free shipping worldwide. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so for this DIY you're going to need the shelves that you're going to be upcycling, the legs of your choice, your chosen paint colour and primer, nuts and bolts, paintbrush and masking tape, and that is all. Okay, so first of all, protect your work area, and then take out the paint colour of your choice and give it a quick mix. Then take out the legs and protect any parts you don't want to get paint on. Then grab your paint and start painting your legs. Then start painting your shelves and make sure to give each side 2 coats. All you need to do then is just start assembling all your pieces and you will be done. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up button. Also let me know in the comments if you liked this video. Did you enjoy this? Are you going to try this out yourselves? Don't forget to head over to prettypegs.com and use that discount code while it's still valid for free shipping worldwide. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell just so you're notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!